So today I'm teaching my kids how to hand pollinate squash. So we have all these squash blossoms and we're going to be using a Q-tip, and the first thing you want to do is locate the male blossom of the squash. So this will be the male blossom of the squash, and there you see the pollen, and I'm going to try to locate a female so that way I can show you guys the difference. Here's another close-up of the male. Okay, so we located the female, and this is what the female looks like. So you're gonna want to dust. Here's the male. You're gonna want to get your Q-tip, get a bunch of pollen. Okay, see all that pollen? And then you're gonna want to rub it around the female. And it's hard because the female is closed. So I'm gonna rub it all around the female. And that's it. So there's a bee who's probably gonna help us do the work, but there's so many of these. So that's where hand pollination will come in.